Okay, what? I took out that bee's hive and look! What the? What? 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 I don't, what? I'm so confused. What? Are these bees like using like that tree for multiple wasp nests? I thought for sure that they're territorial. And is that one right there like a wasp nest or a bird's nest? I am blown away. What? I just noticed this now. Now that fall is coming, like all the leaves are coming off and everything. I mean, that's from wind damage. We had a really awful wind. What? I can't believe what I'm seeing in the trees or in my bush. What? I am like blown away. Oh, I'm blown away. Okay, so I'm outside and I did take down that. This is a wasp nest. The back of it was like that. If you remember. Like, look at that. That was hanging in the tree. And I took these off. Like, look at that. This is my hand. Look how big that thing is. Ugh. That is big. So anyways, I took it down and the back of it has like this big hole. Ew. I brought this knife. I can't do this one like holding. That is giant. Okay, how can I put you down somewhere? I wonder if I could. Ew. There's dead bees in here. Can you see that? I'm scared. Even though nothing's alive in there, but it looks gross. Yuck. Yuck. Wow. Let's see. Oh, it stinks. Bad. Wait. Wow. Wow. There's a few dead wasps that fell out, I think. Wow, eh? It smells like almost like really cheap honey. Let's see if I zoom in. Wow. That stinks. Ugh. Anyways, maybe I'll let the birds try and eat it. I'm done. I'm disgusted. That's tough. I'm totally... What's that? Anyways,